This video demonstrates the live optimization of droplets using the built-in droplet camera in the iFOUR wash station. Firstly, the dispenser is flushed with system liquid. To remove the hanging droplet at the nozzle inlet, the dispenser is immersed in a washing solution. Dispensing through a hanging droplet is not possible. Wait until the hanging droplet has retracted and completely cleared from the nozzle entry. In this video, a piezo-driven microdispenser, also known as a PDMD, is used. To dispense with a PDMD, the following dispensing parameters must be set: voltage, peak value, and frequency. It's important to note that peak value and voltage have a greater impact on droplet formation than frequency. Select the setting that allows for stable droplet dispensing. Try to avoid small droplet satellites. The parameters are interdependent, requiring multiple adjustments before achieving the optimal configuration. Change the LED delay time stepwise to see the droplet in different positions on the flight path. The LED delay time is the waiting time between the first pulse to the microdispenser and the moment the strobe LED lights up. After setting the optimal parameters, you can utilize the Detect Droplet algorithm to visualize the volume of the droplets. Now the setup is ready for dispensing on a target substrate.